क्या आप जानते हैं कि आप जब भी एक टैक्सी या कैब बुक करते हैं तो उसका तकरीबन 20% अमाउंट आप एज एन कमीशन देते हैं कुछ मिडलमैन्स को और कंपनीज को। Good morning everyone. My name is Chinmay and I am the founder of Vahanit. Before telling you more about Vahanit, let's get acquainted with some facts. क्या आप जानते हैं कि आप जब भी एक टैक्सी या कैब बुक करते हैं तो उसका तकरीबन 20% अमाउंट आप एज एन कमीशन देते हैं कुछ मिडलमैन्स को और कंपनीज को। So it is not wrong to say that we can get the similar experience and premium service at a 20% lower cost. And by that I mean the direct relation between the driver and the customer. With Vahanit, we are here to do the same. Vahanit, in short, is an online car rental platform which provides the driver an online platform to be found by the customers, and in return, the customers get an premium level of service with an affordable prices, that is 20% less than the market prices. For the sake that 20% commission, not a bit of it is used for the empowerment of the vendor or the driver that actually drive you to your destination. With Vahanit, we are here to end this. And by this we mean Vahanit is an online car rental platform which enables all the vendors and the drivers to register their cars which are verified by the Vahanit with free of cost. Vice versa, what's the actual benefit Vahanit provides to the customer is that the customer gets the same level of premium experience and ride and service at an 20% lower cost. And we are not saying that for the first ride or for the first 5 rides. We are saying each time, every time you book with Vahanit. So this great deed isn't really possible without the support of you. So please help us to spread our words, and please be sure to like our social media handles. Until then, say no to commission because at Vahanit, fair is fair.